Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the console down completely. Do not use sleep mode. Once the screen is dark, remove any accessories like a micro SD adapter or cases that cover the card slot. Make sure you have clear lighting and a flat, stable surface because you'll be handling a small card. This prevents drops and static. If you remove Joy-Con controllers for better access, set them aside. Now position the console with the stand, fold it out so the micro SD slot is accessible. With the console positioned, swing the rear kickstand open. You'll hear a click that exposes the micro SD slot. Look closely. The card's gold contacts should face down into the slot, and the label faces outward. Use your fingertip to press the card inward gently until you feel a click, then release. This is the spring eject mechanism. Once it pops out about half its length, grasp the exposed edge and pull it straight out. Take care to avoid bending the card or touching the contacts. After removing the card, place it in a protective case or adapter to prevent scratches and static. Close the stand and reconnect any accessories if needed. If the card doesn't eject, power the switch off and attempt the press-release method again. Do not use metal tools as they can damage the slot. If you encounter data errors when you reinsert the card later, make sure to back up on a PC and consider reformatting to FAT32 or XFAT depending on size. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.